Hello learners, so today we are going to see how we can use the WCED e-portal to access resources while you are on your off days at home. So if you look in the top left hand corner over here, you will see the address wcedeportal.co.za. Type that in and this is the page that will come up on your screen. So hover your mouse over the learners tab. You don't need to click, just keep it there. And then you go down to the FET phase. Again, no need to click. Now we're going to click on the grade 10 tab because we want grade 10 resources. And it will open up the page that has all the grade 10 resources that you can use free of charge. Remember, this is a data-free website, which means that you can still access the information on this website even if you don't have data on your phone. You can also download the resources without needing data on your phone or your laptop. So you'll see there are exemplar papers, common papers, some textbooks are even uploaded on here in digital format. But we want to be by the weekly lesson plans. We're going to click on the weekly lesson plans and it's going to take us to the following page where we're going to see. Okay, so over here we want grade 10, click on the grade 10 tab and then you look for your subject that you want resources for. I'm going to go all the way down to tourism and click on that. So we are currently in term 1, so I'm going to click on the term 1 tab and term 1's weekly lessons will show up. So over here you can see they are available in English and in Afrikaans and they are uploaded as they get released. So we can see here we have currently up until week 6. So the naming convention will be grade 10 tourism, T1 for term 1, W6 for week 6, and then the topic that week covers, concepts and terminology used in accommodation establishments. Over here on this side, we have the Afrikaans version, the exact same thing, just in Afrikaans. K1 for kwartaal 1, and then W6 for VX6, VXS, and then we want to click on the one that we want. We click on the English one. It's going to open up the page where you can now download this weekly lesson plan. The weekly lesson plan is basically a summary of the topic that is put into a document that you are able to download. There are also activities in the weekly lesson plan. So over here you'll see it's a PDF format over here and it gives you the size of the document also. But remember, you can download this for free because it is a data-free website, so you don't need data to download this. So this is a preview over here of what the document will look like. Here we can see it is 5 pages long. Right on top we will see it says term 1 week 6. The topic, concepts and terminology used in accommodation establishments. This is for tourism grade 10. So if you click on the download button over here, it's going to download this document for you in a PDF format. So we're going to do that now. And it's going to download here at the bottom of my screen. So I'm just going to choose open that folder. So over here we can see that this is the document now. So if I click here, it's going to save to my computer. Here it's going to print, or you can just use it and read it from your phone. I suggest or recommend downloading it to your device, whether it's your phone or your laptop. Another thing I want to point out is that generally this digital resources section over here is clickable, which means that if I click on it, it's going to open up that YouTube video over here. So if I click on it, it's going to take me to that link and it's going to show me what the digital resources are for that. So in this case, this one is an article that I can read. Sometimes it's also a YouTube video. So that will be found here. Okay. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Bye.